Okay, so here we are. There's a hospital up there, Sao Janeiro. I'll talk about it later. We're gonna be walking towards the Grand Lisboa right over there, the casino in the background. And then we got this big thing right there. Tell you all about it soon. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Maybe a couple months ago, but I did a video maybe about a month ago. I did one where I was walking up there and I was by a hospital and I was coming down from you can't see it but because there's a giant building right here, but I was coming from Gia Lighthouse, up one of the tallest lookouts in the city, and I walked down this way, then I walked all the way down to Grand Lisboa from up there. And I have been here before, and I've been up there one of the first times, but I've been here other times down below. So it's kind of interesting now that I put context to that, and I can see that that I've actually walked on that ridge and I've overlooked this spot from up there. But anyways, it's kind of interesting the way these buildings kind of hug right over the cliff like that. Like you can see right there that they just like hug right over it. So anyways, we're coming off of this one. I think there's another time where actually I walked this one too, and I walked all the way down here and I came into a dead end of a tunnel. So that was maybe about 2 months ago, 2.5 months ago. You can always search through my old videos if you want to try to see if you can locate them. Granted, I do put up quite a few videos, but straight ahead is Guanyin, the statue that's out in the kind of the ocean or bay or whatever you call it. But we're not going to be walking that way. We're going to be walking this way. So let's just see if we can get across here. And then just so that people who want to know where we are, this is where we're at. So, hello, how are you doing?
YouTuber.
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Get Sidetracked.
Get Sidetracked.
Yep.
Where from?
I'm American. So yeah, if you look on YouTube, it'll be Get Sidetracked.
We?
G-E-T.
Oh, Get Sidetracked.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I think you like.
Okay, sounds good. So this one right here, we're just gonna look at this right here. So this is the sculpture park. So I'm not gonna go in it today, but they have all the different sculptures. I'm just gonna look and then I'll. So there's a bunch of sculptures all the way around. We have to, thank you. We have to do a barcode with the phone, and actually the goal of this one isn't to go into that anyways, but inside there's all these ethnic Chinese statues. So I put that up maybe around July 15 or something like that. So if you look on YouTube in my channel and you look back a little bit, maybe like July 15, you can see all these ethnic statues. So they'll have like the Han and even the Korean and Mongolian and things like that. So this one goes to the ferry terminal, which is closed. So there is no ferry terminal right now, unfortunately. The border to Hong Kong is closed, so nobody can get over there, unfortunately. Actually, it's been closed since March, so now it's July, so it's been closed for 4 months. It's going to be closed right now. Every month they just extend it another month. So so right now it's supposed to be closed until August 7, but pretty much everybody thinks that they're just going to keep closing it. For some reason, whatever reason, Hong Kong can't seem to get their code correct. They don't really have the technology or the engineering, or there's some kind of political motivation. There's something wrong, and they just can't really seem to get that. And now they have COVID again, so now they're back at another issue as well. So so it looks like nobody in Macau is going to be able to go to Hong Kong for quite a while. Actually, technically you can, but you have to have residency of one of the two cities. I believe that's how it works. Or I don't think a general tourist can go to Hong Kong at all. And if they can't come back. for Macau, you have to be a resident to come in. If you're just a regular foreigner, that you can't even do the quarantine. Okay, there's this street, but we're gonna look at this street because I want to look at the sign Rua de Shanghai. Shanghai, and it's written with an X because I think that's the way they do it in Portugal, I guess. But it's kind of cool. So, okay. Over there is Macau Art Garden. I filmed over there a couple times, but not recently. But yeah, the Macau Art Garden. So anyways, that's basically another little part of Macau for you. We're walking towards Grand Lisboa, which is straight ahead. There's a bunch of little stuff over here that sometimes is worth going to, but I've definitely filmed in there before too, so. Okay, there's the art garden. Well, we're gonna keep on walking. I don't want to get distracted. I don't want to get sidetracked on get sidetracked. So we're gonna keep on going. But I think I am gonna end it pretty soon because we're getting closer to Grand Lisboa, and I think if we keep going, I'll just be babbling about nothing. But it's a pretty hot day, so I might end it with a drink here.